Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Got a great topic I want to cover tonight, and that is something that I was just discussing with a great friend of mine over on the east side of my state that's an awesome pool player. We were talking about why we miss, especially after we've kind of learned the dynamics of the game to some degree. And I will say this, he is an awesome player, but he misses too, and he mentioned to me that when I miss, it's generally because I've let up on my stroke. And when he said that, I thought, holy smokes, that's exactly what happens to me. And then I got to thinking, it probably happens to every player. I think we all go through this, and even if you become proficient at the game, it's gonna happen. So there's two things I think that cause this, and they are indecision and lack of commitment on your shot. And because of that, you're more tentative as you go through the cue ball, and you actually basically hit your sweet spot before you hit the cue ball or before you stroke through the cue ball. Okay, you let off. It's almost like a drag stroke, an unintended drag stroke. And now there's problems with this too, this unintended shot, because if you're aiming to throw the ball because you're using spin, there's a specific point that you have to hit with the speed of the shot and the spin that you're putting in the cue ball. So when you relax on the shot, you'll throw the object ball away from the pocket. Okay, that's another thing altogether within the physics of what's taking place here. So what I've done is I've set up this scenario, got the balls on the table here. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this one ball down here into the corner. The two ball is kind of tucked back in here. It's got to go into the side pocket. The five's blocking it to go to the corner. And I have to really commit to this shot so that I can not only get back to the two, but also maybe get a right angle on the two so I can get over to the three. So I'm thinking of all of this as I look at this layout. And this can build this anxiety in our mind to the point where we can have that lack of commitment and not execute the shot to its fullest degree, okay? So let's go ahead and shoot this. I'm gonna try to really get position right away on this. I will say this, that just like every shot, let's treat this thing like it's for the World Open here, that we're gonna, 9-ball or whatever, that we're gonna try to really get out here. So we're gonna fully commit, go through all of our pre-shot routine, step into the shot line, and make a good stroke. And that's really good right there. Could be a little bit more here. That would help me to get to the three, but I can still easily get to the three, and I can actually put a little bit of spin on it and drive the cue ball right up to there, which would give me a nice angle to come off the three and then get back to the four. But now let's go ahead and take a look at what happens when we let up. And I'm gonna shoot this a few different ways and see if you can see it within my stroke. I try to, how should I put it? Like a drag stroke, I guess. So I'll try to die on the cue ball and see what happens here. I'm still aiming to pocket it and see if the ball gets thrown here. And I just kind of let up on the stroke, and of course you're never going to get to the two when you do that. So let's see if I can throw the object ball. Meaning that when I put the spin on it, let's see if it can hit that point, because that's generally what happens when you let up and you've tried to match up your speed and spin, but you didn't have the speed that you needed or that was required for you to cleanly put the ball in. This is what I see a lot when I miss, is I'll overspin the shot. Just like that. So putting that extra spin on there throws that ball away from the pocket. That being said, what I'm actually doing when I'm aiming at this one ball is I'm aiming the one ball at the cushion with the spin that I'm applying, because I'm trying to get the cue ball to come back there, and then that throws it correctly into the pocket. So you can see where this can mess up the physics of the shot if we let up on the shot. So once again, let's go ahead and let's try to maybe put the cue ball somewhere mid-table. That's short of where I need to be. Letting up on the stroke is a common thing that happens to every player. We know it when it happens, and then we try not to do it again. Let me know what you guys think. Leave comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Once again, until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.